Yo guys, welcome back in another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a really interesting opportunity that not a lot of people looking at this right now. A few days ago, people that stake few Solana made 1,000 in returns from Jito airdrop. We know that Starknet is coming right now. They already mentioned it a couple times. I think it's going to be a really interesting idea to interact with some of this platform on Starknet. So in this tweet, you can see that Starknet said the next DeFi unicorns on Starknet, you just don't know yet. And also on their main website, you can find out that they mentioned a couple different projects, the top ones, like for example, zklend. So I'm going to be showing you a few of these and how you can be eligible for the upcoming potential airdrop. One of the platforms that we're going to cover today is Avnu, which is the swap aggregator. And here is really simple. You can basically make swap from one token to the another one. So I would advise you to just have at least $1,000 traded, and based on the leaderboard you can see where you are, also the counting activity over months. So if you use this protocol in several months, you're probably gonna meet several criteria. You can see you have the all time. So this is my volume at the moment for $1,000. I made 19 trades. You can also see the monthly volume as well. So when the time is going to be right, when Starknet is going to airdrop, they also will allocate 50 million Starknet tokens to different DeFi protocols, to the top ones like Avnu and so on. So how you do it basically and how you can earn points is basically make swaps. It's really simple to do. You can basically swap some of your Ether to USDC. So you can click swap. I definitely encourage you to make $10,000 in volume. And the more volume you do, of course, the more points you will earn. And when the time will be right, you're probably going to be well prepared for the airdrop. I definitely encourage you to use Avnu because when you use it, you're also using different platforms. So you're using the main protocol, which is Avnu, and also you're using different platforms like Ekubo or MySwap and so on, because this is the aggregator, so it's gonna give you the best possible price for your swap. So the next app that I want to cover today is Fibrous, which is the DEX aggregator of Starknet. So pretty much in the same case as Avnu. It's gonna give you the best price possible for your swap. So you can go over to the platform, you can also select the amount that you want to swap, also the token, and click on the swap button and confirm the transaction. And also you can see they have the leaderboard, so they are taking into the consideration 3 different criteria like transaction, volume, and also you can see is going to be announced the last one, which probably is going to be the airdrop tab. So the more transactions you make, that's better for your wallet. So I have 0 for now because it's not updated. So if you consider how much revenue they generate from the platform and how much funding they have, I think based on my volume, $600 is pretty good. If I'm gonna make a couple thousand in volume, this is gonna push my rank even higher. So I'm definitely keeping this platform on my radar, and I'm gonna interact a couple times a month to boost my ranking and hopefully expose myself for the juicy airdrop. The another powerful dApp that I wanna show you, and it's pretty interesting because it's also new, and Uniswap invested $20 or $30 million. If Starknet will give $50 million of Stark to these dApps, Ekubo is going to be definitely one of them. So on the main website, you need to click on launch the app. It's gonna bring you to this dashboard, and you have the swap feature, also pools, charts, and also leaderboard. So you can see that also they track your volume on the platform. So first I'm gonna make some swaps. So I have some USDT, so I'm gonna swap it to USDC. And now once you have your USDC in your wallet, you can go to pool, and we're gonna create a new pair. So you wanna click on the create new position. And then once you have your base token, which is Ethereum, and also a quote token, so you can use USDC or whatever different tokens that you want to use, you can create a pair. So I'm going to leave this setting as it is, and then you want to specify your amount that you want to deposit. So we can do 0.12, so together is going to be around $500. And then you want to create a pair, and then you want to click add liquidity. Once you've done that, just basically confirm your transaction in your Argent or my Bravos wallet. And when your transaction will be confirmed, you will see your position in the pool section. So we have this one position created. You can create a multiples if you want. I'm just going to make it one. I provided 500 liquidity to it, so I'm just going to leave it like it is, and hopefully at some point we're going to see an airdrop. Another one that I want to show you today is zklend, which is the money market built on Starknet. They also have $5 million in funding, so pretty good funding to pay attention to, because not a lot of people providing liquidity or even using Starknet at this point. And once airdrop will happen, more people will know about Starknet, and then they're going to find out about these protocols. So on the main website, if you click on launch the app, is going to bring you to the market. So you want to click on the market, and then you want to provide some of this liquidity. So you can provide Ether, USDC, wrap Bitcoin, USDT, staked Ethereum, or DAI. So I have some USDC in my wallet, so I'm going to click on supply, and I'm going to provide 100 USDC. Once you do that, you will see your balance in your account. You can also borrow any other assets like USDC, USDT, Ether, and so on. And only by doing these two things like supplying and borrowing is going to give you a really high chance of exposing yourself for another airdrop. And of course, you need to remember that nothing in this video is about financial advice. So you are putting your own money at your own risk. I am only showcasing you the opportunity that I'm seeing if you want to expose yourself for Starknet airdrops. And last but not least, I want to show you Nostra Finance, which is pretty much similar money market on Starknet, where you can lend, trade, and mint. So these functions are going to come in the future. And also you can see the points. So they're also tracking the user activity based on the interaction, volume, and also referral. So how you want to get started with it, you want to deposit some funds to the platform. So as you can see, I deposited $50 of Ether. I'm going to deposit some more USDC. If you want to have some different coins, you can do that. I'm going to deposit $150 more to Nostra Finance and click on the deposit button. And only providing liquidity and playing with the app is enough. So the more you provide, the better for your wallet, the more points you will earn. So that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, you can let me know in the comment down below. Also go to my Twitter, follow me there because this is where I update you with the alpha. Also subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.